Greetings, everyone. It is I, the No Pro, and today I want to let you know that I was messing around last night with Manus AI, and I think I broke it because I can't get anything else done. I gave it this super duper prompt. Let's see if we can enlarge the screen so you can get a better view. Give me a hot second. Okay, it doesn't work on my. Let me try that. There we go. Make it a little bit bigger. Now I asked it to build a website for me, and I gave it a super duper prompt that I put into Copilot and had it analyze, refine, and refine, and refine until it made the prompt that I was satisfied with. And I wanted it to build a website along with courses to be sold on the website. And last night it did build the course. It was beautiful and all. I mean, not the course, but the website. But it had a lot of errors. I think it's because the courses weren't in there. So when I instructed it to complete the courses, I got basically this. And then it stopped working because I ran out of credits. When I signed up last week, I got 3 credits, but you only get 1 credit a day. And so I used that one yesterday, and when you don't have any credits, you can't do anything. So I was getting it to fix all the errors and do a few corrections that I wanted to make it look more appealing. And it gave me the link. It's a temporary link. It's not going to work. I'll show you because it's not operational or hosted any longer. I shouldn't have turned my computer off last night. But anyway, it was beautiful. Let's see. There it is. Okay. That's will you let me look at it now if you did that? No, it won't. Yeah, see, yeah, it's not host, no host. Okay, but yeah, that's part of it. I even had to change the name. The domain name is available, and I was going to have it put in and it even put the price of the course in. But I ended up running out of credits. And even this one, I think that's is that the last one? I don't know why I keep clicking it when I know it's not going to work. Okay, but let's see. Will you show me a picture? No. I'm just hopeful. So, it was doing the courses, as you see. And there's another one, temporary URL, blah, blah, blah. They updated the navigation bar. But yeah, I think I broke it because it won't give me anything. So let's see, stop because the context is too long. Please start a new chat. I did that and I couldn't get anything. And I even sent a letter to support to get help with it, but I haven't heard anything from them. And again, my site is not operational because it was just temporary. But I believe I broke the thing. And get off of there. You do this when I record. You see, I was trying to get it to fix all the errors, but it was unable to because it ran out of credits. So I have to wait. I have 4 hours, so that's like 7 o'clock basically, my time, to try this project again, or I think I'm going to do something that's a little simpler. I'm going to have it build a website, if not a page, that's dedicated to a social media site, so I can get referrals and signups on that. The social media site pays you for everything that you do, unlike the usual suspects. So hopefully I'll be back later tonight, if not tomorrow, to give an update on, or let you see what it makes. And this time I won't put in a super duper prompt like I did last night. As you could, I mean, I made sure the prompt covered everything that was necessary to build this website and the courses. But it was too much for Manus to handle, so I broke the thing. Now, I know it can go to Open Manus, but I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like the way it looks. It reminds me of good old DOS by itself. Uh, Basically Windows with pictures. But it doesn't have the pictures. It's not pretty like the this. So I'll try another strategy, a different strategy, as Bugs Bunny would say. So until then, folks, you all take care. Happy watching, happy marketing, happy mining, whatever it is you're doing. Enjoy yourself. Keep a smile on your face. It's better for the insides of your body. You will live longer and be sick less. Bye.